Hello and welcome to our channel. Now we are going to make another game. Space Strike. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to program the buttons on the home page and control the volume of background music. As for the aircraft and other functions, such as pause, they will be introduced in the coming videos. Now, let's scratch. First of all, get the materials ready. And don't forget background picture and music. When they are ready, let's start to program. First, let's get the broadcast ready, so that we can switch backdrops later. When the green flag clicked, broadcast initialize, and switch costume to cover. Then set the backdrops when receiving help, start, win, lose. And make some basic settings for these sprites, such as when do they show or hide. Go to the Start button sprite. The easiest way is when the sprite is clicked. Broadcast start. Then the plane will appear, and the backdrop will be switched to main. However, it looks tedious, so we are going to try another method to make it better. We can make the button become larger and brighter when the cursor is near. So we can do it like this. Clear the graphic effects and set the default size. Then set its size and brightness effects according to whether it touches the mouse pointer and when it does. If touching the mouse pointer, broadcast start and hide the button. Give it a go. Then the Help button is similar to the Start button. So copy this script to the Help sprite. And the broadcast should be Help. Then go to the stage. When I receive Help, switch costume to Help. Okay, the Start button should be hidden, and the Back button should appear. So go to the Start button. When I receive Help, stop other scripts in sprites and hide. And the Back button should appear. So when I receive Help, show. This script is copied from Start button, so the broadcast here should be Back. Then go to the stage. When I receive Back, switch costume to cover. Give it a go. Well, we can't see both buttons now, so let them show. When the Start button receives the Back, this script should be executed again, so we can define it as a new block. Try again. Now, instead of going back to the cover, we came to the game interface. Why is this? Look, the Start button and the Back button are at the same spot, so no matter they show or hide, when we click here, they are both triggered. we can add such a script. Wait until not mouse down, and copy it to the help and the back button. Put it here. If mouse down, wait until it is released. The help and the back button are the same. In these two sprites, stop this script after broadcasting. Try again. Great, we came back to the cover. And the Start button starts to work again. Now let the Help button work again. When I receive back, this script should be executed again. So define it as a new block as well. Try again. Perfect. Now we can get help and get back. Now clean up the blocks and add this script. When I receive start, stop other scripts in sprite and hide. So, when the game starts, we come to the game interface. Don't rush to the game interface yet. Let's take a look at the volume settings first. The sprite has several customs. They represent different volume levels, so we can switch each costume according to its volume. We can take this approach. Click the sprite and a control panel appears. Make a variable volume. Select slider to display the variable. Make sure the slider range is 0 to 100. This is because this block has a mark, so the value in the blank should be 0 to 100. Now put it to a proper position. Run this script to play background music. Run this script to set the volume. And now we can change the volume by dragging the slider. Next, run this script to switch costume accordingly. Look to the right when dragging the slider. In this way, you can control its volume and costume. All these scripts should be executed when receiving initialize. So put them here. Now, we don't want this panel to be here all the time. It's better to show or hide by clicking the sprite. So the variable should be hidden at first. The panel should show when you click it the first time, then hide when you click it next time. So, we need the help of another variable. Make a variable switch. Set switch to 0 at first. Suppose 0 means the panel is hidden. That is, the variable is hidden when the sprite is clicked. If switch equals 0, it means before it's clicked, the variable is hidden, so when it's clicked, show the variable and set switch to 1. Else hide the variable and set switch to 0. Give it a go. That's it for today. See you next time.